Good morning, it's Tuesday, April the 22nd, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, before we get into the show, we've got the top news of the day, which is the Bank of Canada cut its key interest rate by 50 basis points. Big cut to 3%, citing a slump in the U.S. economy. So that's the top story, and I've got some more great news for you. I've got 4 great press releases for you and 2 halts. So without any further ado, let's get into the news segment of our program. First press release I have for you. Luna Gold trades on TSX Venture under the symbol LGC. We've got results coming from the company. Their new assay results from the company's ongoing drill program at Piaba, which is their main gold project at its wholly owned gold project in Arizona, Brazil. The highlight is an intercept of 73 meters of 1.47 grams per ton of gold, which continues to extend the gold mineralization at depth. Additional significant mineralized intercepts include 20 meters, which include 2.3 grams per ton of gold, and 39 meters, which includes 1.56 grams per ton of gold. I've got a quote from Luna's CEO, Tim Searcy, which states, "This latest round of drilling at Piaba has focused primarily on extending the mineralization at depth. The first 4 holes reported here extend the mineralization at depth. However, the deepest of these mineralized intercepts are less than 150 meters in the vertical. Therefore, there is still significant depth potential at Piaba that remains to be tested." Last at 109 off their 52-week high of $1.69. Next one I have for you. Canadian Hunter Gold trades on the TSX under the symbol CGH. One more time, we've got assays coming from the company. They've reported their results from their Caballo Blanco project in Veracruz, Mexico. We've got core hole 08 CBN-004. This is their big one, which intercepted 94.5 meters, grading 2.09 grams per ton of gold. And included within this are 39.6 meters, grading 3.93 grams per ton of gold. I've got another quote from the president here, Rick Bales, which states, "CBN-004 is the best hole drilled to date on the project. The gold intercept occurs in silica breccias directly below a barren, clay-altered volcanic caprock, so we think we are right on top of the mineralized system. It also confirms the high-grade potential of the Cerro La Pela target. The company can earn a 70% interest in the Caballo Blanco project from Almeida Minerals by spending $12 million over a period of 6 years. Last at 105 off their 52-week high of $2.74. Next one I have for you, going to the U.S. side, OTCBB, DVLY Corp, trades under the symbol DVLY. They've announced a big contract where they received a multi-million-dollar contract. The company had been awarded $16 million contract for the initial phase of construction for over 120 twin townhome units. The total contract is expected to be in excess of $25 million for Deer Valley. The contract was awarded by M&C Development as part of a new rental development called Orleans Palace, or Orleans Place. Orleans Place is being built within Savannah Trails, which is a 264-acre master plan residential community located in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. They're last at 95 cents off their 52-week high of $1.35. Last one I have for you, once again from the U.S. OTCBB, Terra Nostra Resources Corp. trades on the OTC under the symbol TNRO. Terra Nostra announced their third quarter financial results. We've got big numbers here, so pay attention. The revenues more than doubled to $108 million. That's right, $108 million, so big numbers. Terra Nostra Resources is a majority owner of 2 joint venture companies in copper and stainless steel industries in China. Now, I've got some highlights and some revenues for you. The revenues for the third fiscal quarter were $108 million compared to $41.3 million for the same 3-month period 1 year ago. Gross profit reached $11.4 million in the quarter compared to a loss of $1.3 million in the same quarter last year. Operating profit was $7.9 million as compared to an operating loss of $4.6 million. On a weighted average share basis, net income in the third quarter was, get this, 61 cents per share compared to a net loss of 8 cents per share in the same quarter last year. And finally, the operating profit for the 9 months ended February 29th, 2008 was $19.5 million compared to an annual operating loss of $3.1 million in the 9 months ended February 28th, 2007. Chinese company, we've told you how much we love these Chinese plays, base metals and resources in China. There's still great demand. As the numbers indicate here, the demand is still there. Their numbers are growing. Good company to take a look at. They're last at $2.12 off their 52-week high of $5.90. And that's it for that segment of the program. We're moving on to the halts. Got two halts for you. First one. Ogden Capital Corp. trades on the venture under the symbol AUG. They've been halted pending news. And finally, Spruce Ridge Resources Limited on the venture under the symbol SHL. They've also been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today. Make sure you're tuning in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases for you.